Well, we got the motor swapped out on that green one. There's the old mower deck there. But you'll notice that there are no cables going up to the controls on the handles. Number one, I don't have a good throttle cable that I can use on there. And number two, I don't have the appropriate cable for the quick stop. So I'm going to have to wait till I get some more mowers that I could scavenge parts off of. You'd think with all the cables that I have, let me zoom you over there. You'd think with all the cables that I have there and back over in there, you can see I've got more handles. Yeah, but none of the right combination to work with this one. So we'll move on to the next one. And the next one being, I have already put it up on there, is that Yard Machines, and that will go over here onto our Ariens mower. And that has all the original handlebars and the cables and everything else. So that one should be a relatively easy swap. Yeah. What sometimes starts out you think is an easy swap ends up not quite so easy, as you saw in the speeded up clip of me swapping motors on that last mower. And I promised you all I was going to show you how tall our corn is over there. Well, I'm going to set you up on the tripod, and then I'm going to walk over there and you'll be able to see how tall it is compared to me. I'm about 5'10" and a little. So hold on to your hats. Okay, I'm going to walk across and we'll see what the difference is. Well, I don't know what you all think, but I think it's probably close to 10 feet. That's what I'm thinking. Yep. And the sun is setting in the west. If there were any trains coming through, about the only place you could see them would be right down. Well, I'm not even sure I could see it from here. Yeah, that's the only spot that can actually just barely make out the roadbed. Okay, well that's it. Bye now.